Hey y'all, well tell me now, who don't like a good old delicious scrambled egg sandwich every once in a while? I know me and my family do. And today I just want to share with you a very simple recipe for scrambled egg sandwiches. And there's nothing like fresh eggs when you can get them. And my favorite butter is Kerrygold butter. And all I did was just butter one side of a couple pieces of bread and just let that come to a golden toasty brown. And then I just added the Kerrygold butter with a little bit of oil. The oil, what it does, it helps that butter not to burn as easily. And one thing I do need to mention, I do keep my heat on medium-low. And I have learned that medium-low heat has been almost the perfect temperature for scrambling eggs, as it keeps them light and fluffy and they don't burn at that temperature. I have cooked eggs on a high temperature before and ruined them. So I've learned my lesson. Medium-low heat. And I've also learned if you will use your spatula to just sort of bring those eggs from each side, it does create a fluffy texture and it keeps them soft and light. And once these are done, I'm just going to add a little mayonnaise to the non-buttered side of the toast. And normally I do not toast my bread. I just did it for this video. I just had a taste for toasty bread. My children, they prefer non-toasted bread with their egg sandwiches. And I did add a little bit of bacon because I was just craving a little bacon with this egg sandwich. And I did sprinkle a little bit too much there, but that's okay. It tasted delicious. And so I just added a little mayonnaise to each side of the bread. And I did flip the other side of that bread over without butter, and I did let it get a little toasty. Mayonnaise is optional, but it makes it so much better. And look how fluffy and light those eggs are. My. And you know, an egg sandwich is so delicious anytime, especially at night when you're not wanting to eat real heavy. It is just the perfect supper if you're looking for something light in the evening. And oh my goodness, this turned out delicious. Look at that. Look how light and fluffy those eggs are. And the bacon really made it even 10 times more delicious. Is there anyone here watching this that has never had a scrambled egg sandwich? These are my children, y'all, and they love scrambled egg sandwiches. I can't even count how many I've made through the years, and I loved every minute of it. If they saw this scrambled egg sandwich right now that's sitting on my table, I would be back over at that stove making 3 more. That's how much they love scrambled egg sandwiches. So many memories making those for my children. And now my grandchildren, they like them almost just as much as my kids did and do. And aren't you glad that God made chickens? Because I sure love eggs. I love scrambled eggs and breakfast food and chicken tenders. And again, I made this video especially for my children. I dedicated it to them because of all the memories I have making those scrambled egg sandwiches. And I just wanted to thank y'all for watching today. Come back and watch my upcoming videos, Cooking with Regina. And remember, every day is a gift from God. I hope you have a great, wonderful, and blessed day. See y'all later.